My name is Veronica and I am the Transportation Manager for Project Mercia. Mercia is a brand new state-of-the-art facility in Leicestershire which we run on behalf of our long-standing partner Jaguar Land Rover. I'm actually quite a new member of the team here at Unipart. I joined the company on the 1st of March 2022, but I feel like I've been here so much longer already. I have fitted in so well and been made to feel so welcome. Prior to this, I was the Senior Transportation Manager for the Land Rover brand for 7 years, so I know this client really well and I'm really excited about working with them again. I really wanted to be part of the team that would be implementing the new JLR facility at Appleby Magna. It's a brand that I know and love, a process that I know so well, and it ticked all the boxes for me, both professionally and personally. Although I've only recently joined the team here, since joining I cannot begin to tell you how welcome I have been made to feel and how valued and appreciated they make me feel in everything I do. For example, my role is to make sure that all the transport for the transition is ready. So we will be moving a massive volume, probably circa 7,700 trailers across all the sites covering the Jaguar and Land Rover brand. So this is a massive team effort and quite a challenge to boot. Working in partnership with JLR is an absolute privilege. Being part of the team who will help to make the change happen positively is absolutely amazing. I cannot wait for more new faces to join this amazing journey. It will be absolutely impressive and something that all of us are so proud to be part of.